In today's video, I'll show you how to create a new folder in Zoho Mail so you can organize your emails with ease. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick guides. Start by logging into your Zoho Mail account at mailzoho.com. Once you're in, look at the left sidebar where your folders are listed. Hover over the folder section and you'll see a small plus icon appear. Click it to create a new folder. A pop-up will open where you can enter your folder name like Invoices or Project A. If you want it to be a top-level folder, just leave the parent folder option as default. You can also assign a color tag for quick visual recognition, though that's optional. When you're done, click Save. Your new folder will instantly appear in the sidebar, ready to store your emails. And that's it. A simple way to keep your Zoho Mail inbox clean and organized.